कोक की बोतल ये नहीं। Okay. What will you do there?
We are at Rabat after 1.5 years. We had to do a lot of shopping, so we are here a bit late, but the waves are strong. We did play at the beach a little bit, but the waves are super strong. There are tons of hotels, ocean facing. We have been at ocean facing hotels now. Kiwis, Tiki Hut. That was at Atlantic. No, not Atlantic. Was it at Atlantic? Virginia Beach. Yeah, this is Rahabat. Kiwis, Tiki Hut. I love Tiki Huts. Rahabat Beach Patrol. We have a public restroom over here. The items which are allowed: umbrella and beach tents, baby beach tents. Tons of other items are not allowed. It's a small beach anyways. The boardwalk itself is not very long. See how strong the waves are today. Like they are almost nearing the edge of the beach. Almost covering the whole beach. We were at the beach, but we were kind of safe. Maintained a very respectable and safe distance from the waves. But it was fun. Great fun. Look at the waves today. These are all effects of Hurricane Erin. Snowball. So Grotto Pizza, it's pretty famous here at Rehoboth, and one Rehoboth hotel is coming up. We have had Grotto Pizza multiple times. So they have thrashers and course. So all that traditional beach snacks you'll get here.
Sounds like we just need to buy some.
Zelkies, snowballs. City of Rehoboth Beach. ये वाला जो सेंटर एरिया नहीं है, लगता है म्यूजिक परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है. कैंडी किचन. थोड़ा सा आगे वॉक कर लेते हैं, फिर देखते हैं. फर्स्ट So there is a Course Brothers and a Thrasher's Fries. It's open over there near Dolly's. We have eaten at this Grotto's Pizza. Steak, Starkey, hamburger, French fries, and there is a Thrasher's ka fries over there as well. Yeah, क्या crowded है, right? The above dunes. Okay, it's way beyond 5 now. The crowd is crowding. People are flying kites as well. This is Funland at Rehoboth. तो अभी तो टाइम नहीं है उतना, नेक्स्ट टाइम आएंगे इधर पे. So almost all the shops have ended. Like you can see, it's not a very long boardwalk. Almost all the shops are gone, but the boardwalk is still there. So there is still some steps left, but like there are no more shops. हॉलीडे होम रख के जैसे वो अंकल का घर है कि भैया जो भी अंकल भैया उनका घर है रेंट है हॉलीडे होम है क्या है पता नहीं बोनस लगता होगा ना. ऐसे पार्टी करो, हल्का दारू वाला पार्टी करो, ऐसे पी के पगलाने वाला पार्टी नहीं, हल्का सा दारू पार्टी. मज़ा आ जाएगा, मज़ा आ जाएगा. ये हमारा शायद चौथा या 5th टाइम है ना रेहोबोथ पे. ये बीच LGTV लोग के लिए फेमस है. यहाँ बहुत सारे LGTV फ्रेंडली रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं. LGTV हमने बहुत सारे LGTV देखा भी. ऐसे बोले जैसे लाइक कोई इंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज है. Pardon my French. Look at the colors of it. end of the boardwalk. There is a small natural lake over here. I just wanted to go and check. I think it's called Komis Lake, and there is another small lake just near it. I don't know where Neha is going. To go check on her. Delaware Outdoor Trail. The lake I was talking about. So I just looked online. This is called the Silver Lake, and it's a natural lake. It's pretty small. It's not big. Talking like Amitabh Bachchan, but it's a natural lake. It's called Silver Lake. I think former US President Joe Biden also has a home here. So I'm not sure where, but he has a home here. Three mallards. तो सुंदर लग रहा है ना नेहा?
So beautiful.
Time to go home. Not home actually, we have to eat. We are going back to the boardwalk, and then we'll go somewhere. Dogfish, Iron Hill. Let's see. There's an Indian restaurant as well over here, but we don't go there because Grey Catbird, American Robin, and Blue Jay. Because it doesn't have it has a wrong map of India actually. It matters to me. Like if you're an Indian, you should show the full map of India, correct map of India. Like I know like you don't have rules per se in USA, but like that's the least expected of an Indian restaurant. So we don't go. But people are free to go wherever they want. It's a free country. US is a free country. Look at the waves. It's still strong. Like I guess as high tide approaches, it will be stronger. Look at the waves. Just look at the waves. I love Rabat. I love traveling per se. Always a huge line at Thrashers and at course and everywhere else.
We just wanted to come up here and hang with you guys again. We were up here last year and we had so much fun. We're like, yeah, we got to make that happen again. So thank you all so much for being here tonight.
हम लोग धोखा दिए, बोले हम लोग आएंगे पर रेटिंग देके फिर हम लोग भाग गए कीवीज़ में। 3.5 रेटिंग में तो हम नहीं जाने वाले हैं, सॉरी।
हम भी नहीं जाएंगे।
हाँ आई गेस उन लोग के लिए अगेन द सेम थिंग, अगेन द सेम थिंग। हम आयरन हिल का नहीं, हम लोग कितने सारे रेस्टोरेंट जा चुके। आयरन हिल में हम लोग इतना जा चुके हैं ना, डेलावेयर का सारा आयरन हिल तो हमारा ख़त्म हो गया है, फिली का 1-2 हो चुका है, अब और नहीं जाएंगे आयरन हिल। ख़त्म करो भाई आयरन हिल का तमाशा। हम यहाँ समाप्त करते हैं। वीडियो बनाने का मन नहीं था आज पूरा, इसीलिए सुबह से स्टार्ट नहीं किए थे, पर रहबत बीच है तो मस्त जगह, अच्छा है, तो बस ख़त्म कर रहे हैं। यहाँ खाना पीना खाया आयरन हिल में, और ये जस्ट उसके बगल में है, टैंगर के बगल में। यहाँ का टैंगर एक्चुअली 2 भाग में स्प्लिट है, सर्फ साइड एंड ओशन साइड। तो ये जस्ट ओशन साइड, सॉरी सी साइड, सर्फ साइड एंड सी साइड, ये सी साइड के बगल वाला है। जस्ट रोड के उस साइड भी है और रोड के इस साइड भी है आगे। बस अब हम लोग यहाँ से चलते हैं, हो गया हमारा, बाय, गुड नाइट।
एक जगह बना लेता, इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्यों किया? थोड़ा इधर थोड़ा उधर।
आई डोंट नो, ये पहला इट्स द ओनली आउटलेट जो हम यूएस में देखें जैसे सेपरेटेड है 2 भाग में।
2 नहीं 3 भाग में, अब नाइकी उस तरफ है।
But that's a part of the same complex, right? Like at least it's not